very good morning to all. Saraswati Mandir High School is one of the prestigious, oldest and biggest educational institution in Mahim area. Thousands of students have taken education in our school. They are doing best in their chosen field and brought laurels to the school. And now also, many students are taking education in our school. This year, in the academic year 2024-2025, we are celebrating 75th anniversary, that is Amrit Mahotsav. Today is Guru Purnima, a day to express our gratitude to our gurus, who allays darkness of ignorance from our lives and enlighten us with knowledge and wisdom. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, Saraswati Mandir English Primary Section decided to pay tribute to the founder members of Saraswati Mandir High School, Shri Venkatesh Kotnis and Srimati Mukta Kotnis, by presenting a small skit. In the year 1950, on the auspicious day of Gudi Padwa, Shri V.K. Kotnis and Srimati Mukta Kotnis started Saraswati Mandir School along with few members in one room of Saraswat Colony.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
चला मुलांनो, माझ्या सोबत बोला. अ चला मुलांना माझ्या मागे म्हणा. ये रे पावसा, तुला देतो पैसा, पैसा झाला खोटा, पाऊस आला मोठा, ये ग सरी, माझे मटके भरी, सर आली धावून, मटके गेले वाहून. चला मुलांनो, लाईन भरून आपल्या घरी जा.
Mr. and Mrs. Kotnis worked hard to give this institution the face which it has today. They gave education to all the students in this area. These students, after becoming successful in their life, they came back to school to pay tribute to their teachers.
गुरु माझा गणगोत, गुरु हीच माऊली. गुरु स्पर्श दूर करी दुःखाची सावली. गुरु भेटीसाठी झाली जीवाची काहिली. भक्त तुझा गुरुदेवा पुरता अटला. भेटला विठ्ठल माझा, भेटला विठ्ठल.